Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your VPNs connects and then automatically disconnects on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager. And then click mo na dito yung open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung network adapters. Ito siya, okay? So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung ating connections sa network adapters. Ito yung ating Intel Wi-Fi. Ito siya. So i-click mo lang yan. Kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung properties. And then dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung drivers. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung update driver. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, select lang tayo dito sa dalawa. So, i-select natin tong search automatically and then tap lang natin yan and then wait natin. So automatic mga kaibigan na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin ito i-close and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. And then next, after tayo mag-restart, and then so go ahead and connect again to your VPN. So in order to reset your VPN settings, so ang gagawin natin is open up on a search menu ulit. And then kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung network reset. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So dito sa right side, i-click mo lang itong reset now, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. Right? So, ano next step? So, kailangan ulit natin mag-restart. So, i-click mo lang dito. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix VPN connects and then automatically disconnects on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.